guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a fun video. I am obsessed with Pinterest. I'm always on Pinterest every night before I go to bed. Pinterest is the devil. My time gets so consumed when I have free time. When I have the free time, I get so consumed with Pinterest. Pinterest turns you into a doctor, esthetician, makeup artist, and home decorator and all in one. I get so many ideas and things I want to try things out from Pinterest, and sometimes Pinterest really makes you spend a lot of money. Like I said, I was on Pinterest and I was in need of finding a routine for this dry skin this winter is giving me. Bad this winter. I've tried everything. Exfoliating, moisturizing, drinking a lot of water. Nothing seems to get rid of my dry, patchy skin. I tried everything to try to alleviate or get rid of my dry, patchy skin. You name it, I've tried it, and nothing seems to get rid of it or try to subside. I even have dry patches on my butt. Like underneath my butt, I have a dry patch on each cheek. Like it's that serious. So I was on Pinterest and I was looking for dry skin like moisturizers and dry skin like routines, skincare routines, and I came across this crazy thing that I want to try. Like I literally want to try. And it involves leche. It involves milk. And supposedly whatever's in the milk, the fat in the milk, obviously you need to use whole milk, not skim milk or low fat or 2% or 1%. You need whole milk, girlfriend. You need as much fat in the milk as possible, and what this does, it simply moisturizes the face. This is what I read online. The fat in the milk is a great moisturizer for your skin, especially when you're suffering from dry skin this winter. You can use it as a spot treatment or like a spot moisturizer for your face, or you can do an all-over milk mask, which I've seen a lot on YouTube. Sometimes they use milk to lighten up the face, but we're using it to cure the dry skin. This winter, this brutal winter has been given me. Without any further ado, I'm going to stop talking and let's get in with the skincare routine with the milk. So the first thing you need to get is milk, obviously, and you can use a paper towel, cotton rounds, cotton balls, or you could do a wash rag, whatever tickles your fancy. So mine is, I'm using whole milk, and the brand that I love is Creamaland. I don't know if you live in New York, but Creamaland is my favorite brand. Like, this is the OG of milk. I don't like any other brand, but this brand, I'm telling you, like, this milk needs to be sold in Sephora. It is such a high-end milk that everyone needs to get their hands on. It's the best milk out of all the milks in the land. Creamaland, sponsor me, please. Alright, so it really didn't tell you what to do on the Pinterest app. It just says to use milk on your dry skin. So on my dry skin, and also you can use milk for sunburn. Now I get redness, especially in the winter, around this area, and I feel that sometimes it burns a little bit, like a sunburn, and this would help it alleviate the redness, because milk is another form of anti-inflammatory. Especially like if you have really bad sunburn, they advise you to take a milk bath, because the milk itself is an anti-inflammatory and it gets rid of redness. I'm so not properly done. I'm going to pour some of the milk on the paper towel. Oh, there goes all the milk. So is it, but I have dry skin all over here. This feels amazing. To get a bowl, don't do what I do. You know. So far, I feel very less tight. Like right in there was so tight, and I have a good dry patch in there, but I'm gonna let it sit a little bit. the milk in the skin. It's very cooling. Well, I'm using ice cold milk. Of course, it's going to be cooling, so that'll be great on sunburns. No, I don't think so. I don't like anything that's going to give extra coldness. Sunburn. Okay. Wow. This feels really, really good. And I want to see if I can get rid of this redness here. It's all cold. It's supposed to get rid of redness, so let's see. Oh, so it really is moisturizing. It really is. It's like weird, like I'm like marinating my face with milk. I don't know how I feel about it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And be like, this girl is putting milk all on her face. She's going full infant style, like, you know, when kids, like babies, like put stuff all over their face, like that's what I'm doing. Look at that, I got rid of the redness. I feel cooling, like I don't feel like my face is like really red. Now look at my nose, it's like Rudolph right now. I mean, obviously if you're allergic to dairy, I don't advise you to do this because obviously you're gonna wind up getting hives all over your face and get swollen. If you are allergic to dairy, I would skip this and find other alternatives. But me, I'm just a complete idiot and I just like to try stupid things and just to get a laugh out of it. And everyone's watching and be like, this girl is literally patting milk all over her face. Yes, because I like to try things that Pinterest told me that it works. My hand. I don't think this is a good idea. Okay. I'm pouring it on my face. Oh, I should have put, okay. Milk. Let's see. I feel it more that you just put it all over your face. Like I feel like seeping through. But I'm waiting for it to dry. I mean, I think you should wash it off, but I want to see when you dry it. It's sticky because milk has sugar in it. So like I said, I don't think you could put milk on your face and then go to bed right after you feel moisturized. I would have to wipe it off. But honestly, it did smooth out my face a lot. Oh my god. Like I feel my skin eating, like sucking up the milk. That's how dry it is. It's on this milk mask that I tried out that Pinterest intrigued me to try out. I'm telling you, Pinterest is the devil. You get suckered in on a lot of things on Pinterest. You're always changing up your themes and everything else on Pinterest. I love it. I'm addicted to it. I'm a pin addict. I feel about this overall milk mask. It's messy. I'm just gonna put it out there. It's messy. I mean, it's not very, it doesn't congeal so much to your face like a cream, but it is messy. It's very liquidy, so it's gonna get all over. So I advise you to maybe do this in the shower. If you're gonna try this routine, do it in the bathroom, do it over the sink, do it in the shower. I wouldn't do this like in your beauty room or where you do your makeup or on your bed or your kitchen, because it's gonna go, I mean, you could do it over your sink. Do somewhere that you can like wash it away and it's not gonna create a mess. It does, because my chin had a dry patch like no other, and it's like gone. It's literally gone. This milk has someone, I'm telling you, Cream of Land is like the mecca of milks. End of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have other videos coming up. I have hair tutorials. I have other videos that I'm going to be filming in the next couple of days, so keep a lookout. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow my socials. They're all down below, my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. stay connected with me. And until my next video, bye dolls.